Intro. Welcome to our video on AI-powered robots, changing the future of everyday life. Introducing AI and robotics. In recent years, the integration of artificial intelligence, AI, with robotics has led to groundbreaking advancements. These AI-powered robots are capable of performing tasks that were once unimaginable, reshaping our world in exciting ways. Why AI-powered robots matter? AI-powered robots have the potential to transform various industries, from manufacturing and healthcare to household chores and entertainment. In this video, we will delve into the incredible ways these robots are enhancing our daily lives. Video content. The rise of AI-powered robots in manufacturing. H3. Automation revolution. With their exceptional precision and efficiency, AI-powered robots are streamlining manufacturing processes like never before. They can handle complex tasks, operate with minimal supervision, and work alongside humans, ensuring increased productivity and reducing errors. Smart warehousing. AI-powered robots are also invaluable in the warehousing industry. Equipped with advanced computer vision and machine learning capabilities, these robots can navigate through vast warehouses, locate specific items, and pack them for shipping with utmost accuracy and speed. Collaborative assembly lines. Gone are the days when robots and humans worked in separate spaces. AI-powered robots can now collaborate seamlessly with humans on assembly lines. Through intricate algorithms and sensory feedback, these robots can perceive human movements, adapt to their actions, and assist in complex assembly tasks. AI-powered robots in healthcare. H3. Revolutionizing patient care. AI-powered robots are making waves in healthcare by revolutionizing patient care. From robotic surgeons assisting in delicate surgeries to robotic aides providing companionship to the elderly, these machines are transforming the way healthcare services are delivered. Precision medical assistance. In fields like diagnostics and image analysis, AI-powered robots excel in providing accurate and efficient support. They can analyze complex medical data, detect abnormalities, and offer precise recommendations, helping healthcare professionals make informed decisions and improve patient outcomes. Repetitive task automation. Nurses and doctors often spend significant time on repetitive tasks that can be automated. AI-powered robots can undertake activities like medication administration, sample collection, and basic patient monitoring, freeing up healthcare professionals to focus on critical aspects of care. AI-powered robots at home and beyond. H3. Smart domestic helpers. Imagine having a robot that can clean your house, prepare meals, and even entertain your children. AI-powered robots are becoming increasingly competent in performing household chores, ultimately simplifying our lives and granting us more time for activities we truly enjoy. Personalized assistance. From voice-activated virtual assistants to advanced robots programmed to understand our preferences, AI is enabling a new era of personalized assistance. These robots can anticipate our needs, recommend personalized content, and even provide emotional support, making our lives more comfortable and convenient. The future of AI-powered robots. As the field of AI and robotics continues to evolve, we can expect even more unimaginable advancements. From space exploration to disaster response, the integration of AI and robotics opens endless possibilities that will redefine our future. Outro. Wrapping up, we hope this video has provided you with an exciting glimpse into the world of AI-powered robots and their potential to revolutionize our everyday lives. The future is bright, and as technology advances further, these robots will continue to change the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. Thank you for watching. AI-powered robots, changing the future of everyday life.